Researchers confirm newly developed inhaled vaccine delivers broad protection against SARS-CoV-2 variants of concern. McMaster University. Interesting. That's around the corner. Not quite. Hamilton. But anyway, so I guess these are the researchers over here. What do we got? Sam Afkami, Matthew Miller, Michael D'Agostino, Shu Singh, and Brian Lichty?
The Avengers of the disease world.
I mean,
the way that they're photographed.
It's big. They're photographed in a big way.
It's very cinematic. Like a Marvel.
You know what I like
universe.
about this photo is the guy on the right who he's got his hands together.
He's the Hulk version.
Yeah, you don't.
He's ready to go.
You don't. I mean,
he's the power forward.
He's like, you're gonna take this inhaled vaccine. Anyway, let's read about it. Let's see what it says. All right. Scientists at McMaster University have developed an inhaled form of COVID vaccine, have confirmed it can provide broad, long-lasting protection against the original strain and variants of concern. The research recently published in the Journal of Cell reveals the immune mechanisms and significant benefits of vaccines delivered directly to the respiratory tract rather than traditional injection. The laboratory and the researchers are part of McMaster's global nexus for pandemics and biological threats. I mean, there's going to be a lot of people working on this stuff now. The pharmaceutical companies have a lot on the line. I mean, they just they delivered a few vaccines. I don't know if you noticed. Well, I don't know if you heard these words. I don't know if anybody walked up to you quietly and whispered in your ear, Pfizer, Moderna.
Yeah.
I don't know if that ever happened to you, but it happened to me. I got goosebumps.
No.
Yeah, I got goosebumps. I was like, I turned around, they were already gone.
Oh.
And then I had a little cotton ball on my arm. I'm joking. It's a joke, guys. Holy, relax. All right. Apparently, because inhaled vaccines target the lungs and upper airways where respiratory viruses first enter the body, they are far more effective at inducing a protective immune response. The reported preclinical study, which was conducted on animal models, has provided the critical proof of concept to enable a phase 1 clinical trial that is currently underway to evaluate inhaled aerosol vaccines in healthy adults who had already received 2 doses of a COVID mRNA vaccine. Wow, this is... I mean, I guess it kind of makes sense. The virus is coming in, you're inhaling, it's coming into lungs. The vaccine is going into lungs. I try to think about the implementation of it because now people are going to these venues to get the inhaled vaccine and then people are putting their mouth on the thing and then you're changing out the components. But I guess it's a nightmare with the needles as well, right? You got to set up a new set for every single one of those. So who knows? Who knows?
Yeah.
What is there something you want to say about it?
I mean, I'm just looking at the device here.
Yeah.
Instead of a needle, they'll be using this, and I guess it's just one.
One per use?
One inhale.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess it's a proof of. Did you just take a deep breath? Are you imagining inhaling your vaccine, or what are you doing?
I'm doing it right now.
You just went.
I'm just practicing. Yeah.
I think that it's going to be reusable. It would just be the mouthpiece that would pop off, and then I guess they would replace it or sterilize. I don't know, dude. I don't know because you're right. You got a vaccine, or if you got the next pandemic, and they're like, oh, everybody's inhaling the vaccine, then it's
a lot easier.
No, but you got to be concerned that people are coming in breathing contaminants into the thing.
Right. So
you got to be very careful about the hygiene aspect, but I'm sure they've got a plan for that. Oh,